Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Unang yalam jaka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee. Uba Vincent H. Pala. Ulaang bahag bayadai bakajing khayi bat kajing shalantu yaw dawyong. Kador Bashisha jong ka Sorkar MDA. Bayalam dak NPP kanpa partai tat endau Chief Justice bamenta jong ka Meghalaya High Court ula Shongthait nakakam. Uba Vincent ubalong ru MP jong ka Shillong Parliamentary Seat. Hakajing akran bak lat patai kubor ulaang yamenta katkum kidak kishin ki bapau kajing khayi bat kajing shalantu yaw dawyong hakan nega jelak la duna bha namar baka ying bisar la pitngor bha ya nega kam daga jing ujor jeng kipaj bha.
Mining stop for sometimes, not exactly stop, but I think reduce for some time. Normally the high level people used to come and knock at the door of the business people that your vehicle will be released, give so much. But now that knocking in between, it was stopped. But everybody is waiting when the Chief Justice will retire. So I think the rest will see when the Chief Justice will retire. Everybody were talking to me. Lots of my friends in the coal business, lots of my friends in the factories and other businesses who are involved direct or indirect with the coal. Everybody is scared of the Chief Justice. And when the Chief Justice will retire, then the real and the true color of the government we will see.